iPhone 15 not charging when plugged in. If your iPhone 15 is not charging when plugged in, today we are here with several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Firstly, check the charging cable and adapter. Inspect the cable. Look for any visible damage to the charging cable such as fraying or cuts. If damaged, use a different cable. Always use the official Apple charger and adapter that came with your phone. Third-party chargers may not work well with your iPhone. After that, check the charging port. The charging port on your iPhone may have dust, lint, or debris blocking the connection. Use a soft brush, compressed air, or a toothpick to clean the charging port gently. Then, inspect the port for any bent pins or other damage. If the pins inside are bent, this could require a professional repair. After that, test the power source. If you are using a wall outlet, try plugging your charger into another outlet or a different power strip. If charging via a computer, make sure the USB port is functioning by testing it with another device. If you are using a power bank, make sure it has enough charger to provide power to your iPhone. So if none of these work, then the problem could be related to a hardware issues, like a defective charging port or battery. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.